today Saturday night full booking fully booked working hard ዶሮ ወጥ ኢትዮጵያን ትራዲሽናል ዶሮ ወጥ ይኸውላችሁ እኔ መሰለ ዶሮ ወጥ ነው መሰለ ዶሮ ወጥ ነው የሰራው ዛሬ ጋይስ ከዛዛ ልቻው ደግሞ ቀጠለ very hot እንግዲህ እሳ ኑና ብሏ እንግዲህ እሳ ኑና ብሏ ሃሎ ዲር ከስተመርስ እንግዲህ ብረክስታችን ይሄ ነው ደግሞ እንግዲህ ወጡ እየተሰራ ነው ዛሬ ቅዳሜ busy ነኝ busy today chicken doro what for my beautiful customers you know very yummy smells yummy guys you know book your own table guys yes so the last I had already harvest the last one so guys wow this one another meat nice meat this is non-spicy again different service guys different service everything is harvest already ready but the last minute already almost finished so that's why finishing guys if you want nice meat dishes veggie dishes everything combo single one all desserts all homemade drink available from Muna's Ethiopian cuisine Edinburgh Scotland ላገሮቼ ልጆች እንግዲህ እየመጣችሁ ብሎ ዶሮም ደረሰ አልጫም